opportunity can be hiding in plain sight sometimes too. Like a category that I love, and I've talked about many times, is medical. And the reason I love medical is because there is very little breadth, right? Like if you look at shower chairs, right? Shower chairs is such a horrible product to have in your home. You're either injured or you're elderly and you need to shower sitting down, right? Or disabled perhaps. No matter which way you look at it, it could potentially be part of your home. Now, if you look at shower chairs on Amazon, they all look the same. They are white with round holes with grey extendable legs that have the holes. And those holes, when you read the reviews, and this is another tip, read the reviews, especially the 1-star reviews, and see what people hate about the product. What happens is the water goes in those holes, goes down, there's rubber stoppers on the bottom, and then they start to get mouldy and manky and horrible. So, but they all look the same and they all scream, you're sick or broken.
They're sad.
They're sad. They're a very sad looking product. So if you sat down and thought, I'm going to create a product for people who are in that situation that don't want a chair that looks like you're in a hospital in your own home. And sometimes it can be staring you in plain sight. So I've got it here off camera. I'm going to bring it on. This is my video producer's sitting back there laughing how I just keep walking off the set. This is a product here. I'll hold it there. You can see, you know where this is from? Bunnings. Now you could just get a product like this from China or somewhere, modify the legs so that they're extendable, and now you've got something that's completely original in the shower chair space. Out of interest, the average shower chair on Amazon does $50,000 US a month, and there's 50 of them on page 1, which means that page 1 of shower chairs on Amazon is doing $2.5 million a month, and there's dozens and dozens of pages of them. It's just about thinking a little bit outside of the box and being creative. I'll give you one more example. This is one of my favorite ones. This guy here is a little penguin that sells $13,000 US a month right now on Amazon. It's a stuffed penguin, $13,000 US a month, just under 20 grand. They cost about $1 to buy, and they sell $1 to buy in China, and they sell for about 15 bucks, 12 to 15 bucks. Now, that for most people, if you were generating that kind of money at even 25% margin, let's call it 15 grand Australian, just to make the numbers easy, 25% of 15 grand is like $3,000 something a month. That's like almost a full-time salary.
It's a good side hustle.
It's a great side hustle from one stuffed penguin.
Yeah.
So how could you visually differentiate this in a way that would be, because it is a contest of cuteness.
It's getting people to stop in that 1 second.
You keep doing this because more than 50% of Amazon purchases are done on mobile devices. So they put in their little girl, the little boy's watched Frozen, and it says, Daddy, I want a penguin, stuffed penguin, right? And they fixated on penguins, right? So mum or dad goes on to Amazon and starts looking. You can see which ones are the best selling. Then you make it your mission to create a cuter or better penguin option. And it's about being creative. And this is what I love about this business, creativity. This is why on the wall, you can't see it on camera right now, but we're inside of a converted warehouse that we work out of here. And on the wall, it says, imagination is more important than knowledge by Albert Einstein. In this case, you could say, well, I'm going to make bigger eyes so it looks more cute, maybe a little bigger belly, but maybe I'm going to sell 2 penguins, a male and a female. I'm going to put a little pouch in the front with a pebble, and then you can educate your child, because that's what penguins do. The male penguin finds the best rock they can, gives it to the female penguin, and on the basis of the rock, they'll decide whether they're going to mate for life.
You know what you've done that I think is important is Amazon's not a great space for a totally new idea that nobody even knows they want, right?
Right, no.
What this course taught me, this is representative of my product, my kid's product, is like, okay, so you go on Amazon, you use the nifty software, and you go, wow, this already has a track record, and you're going to make it 50% better and steal those sales.
Yep.
Right? Like you're not reinventing the wheel. You're not coming up with a totally new character. You're just improving significantly what's on there that has a proven track record.
If you enjoyed that video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when we have new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.